Alright guys, Rich here, Lifted Off-Road, and same Jeep. I got a new coil installed, I got a new plug installed, and now when I wiggle the plug, nothing happens. Nothing happens. It's still running. Still running. Woo! Success. Now I just got to put the coil back in its regular original position, and I believe I have fixed the starting issue. Now still, as far as why that muffler blew up is still beyond me. I don't know if that had anything to do with the backfire or what. I do not have welding ability here at my shop yet, so I will not be welding on a new muffler. If the guy wants me to, I might cut it off for him though. But no welding of new ones. So yeah, I'll call that a win. New coil, new plug, and we're good. I will see you next time. Have fun and be lifted. Later.